let's look at a specific case of lifting against gravity. So here's a rare slide that I haven't bothered to animate, so it'll work as a printed version. If we have a mass here, it's subject to a force of gravity, like this. What if we lift it against that force? So force of gravity is mg, work is force times distance. So the work to lift an object would be mgd. Obviously, d is not our favorite choice for altitude, so we'd probably write it mgh, which makes more sense. And then, instead of work, physicists decided EP is mgh. So we talk about work on the horizontal, but then when we talk about the work done on the vertical, they preferred the term energy. And they're equivalent anyway. They're the same idea. They're just one's a noun, one's a verb. YEP means potential energy due to gravity, which means energy due to lifting. Sometimes they'll say EPG at the bottom. Why is it called potential energy? A loaded crossbow, a loaded gun, a rock teetering on the cliff top. There's energy there, but it has to be released. Hence its potential energy. A van is speeding down the highway. That's called kinetic energy. It's not potential. It's moving. Get in its way and you die. So a stick of dynamite on the counter has potential to explode. So that's all they refer to is when they say potential energy, it's currently stored up, waiting to be delivered. An elevator lifts a 1,000-kilogram cabin 20 meters in the shaft. What work did the motors do on the elevator car? All I'm asking you is the same thing. We want to know the work done to lift that elevator car. Work is MAD, which could be MGH in this specific case. So we get 200,000 joules approximately by rounding that to 10. And again, you've got some ballpark figures now. That's twice as much as the van needed to get to highway speed. Lifting things vertically can use up a fair amount of energy. And it's repeating itself. That's okay. And there ends the slide. I had some plan for that. That's coming next though. So it's a bit of a truncated example, but that's the last one. I probably could have squeezed it into the